When your Sceptre monitor shows a red light but won't turn on, this indicates a specific set of conditions. The red light means your monitor is receiving power, but is not fully operational. This red light can indicate three main conditions. The monitor is in standby mode, the power supply is partially functioning, or the monitor detects power but no video signal from your computer. Several hardware issues commonly cause this problem, particularly in budget-friendly monitor models. The three main culprits are power supply failures, backlight system problems, and mainboard defects. Here's what the internal circuitry looks like. This schematic shows the complex power supply components that can fail, including capacitors, voltage regulators, and integrated circuits. Before attempting any repairs, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. These simple procedures can resolve many power-related issues without opening the monitor. Step 1 is a power cycle reset. Unplug your monitor for 30 seconds, then hold the power button for 15 seconds while it's unplugged. This discharges any residual power and resets the internal circuits. Step 2 involves checking all your connections. Test different power cables, verify your wall outlet works with other devices, and ensure all video cables are securely connected. The final basic troubleshooting step is testing your input sources and signal connections. Use your monitor's menu to cycle through all available input sources. Test with different devices like laptops or gaming consoles, and try various video cable types to rule out signal issues. These basic troubleshooting steps successfully resolve 25 to 40% of Sceptre monitor power issues. If these steps don't work, the problem likely requires hardware-level diagnosis and repair. When basic troubleshooting fails, capacitor replacement in the power supply unit is the most effective hardware fix, with a success rate of 70 to 80%. The most common failing capacitors are 1000 microfarad 25-volt and 470 microfarad 25-volt capacitors. Replacement parts cost only $10 to $20. However, this repair requires basic soldering skills and proper safety precautions. Here you can see the actual process of replacing capacitors on a circuit board. To diagnose backlight system failures, use the flashlight test. Shine a flashlight on the screen while the monitor is powered on. If you can see an image, the backlight system has failed. Next, inspect the LED strips for burned or dark segments. These LED components are often the source of backlight failures and can be visually identified. Before attempting any DIY repairs, always check your warranty status first. Sceptre monitors typically come with 1 to 3 year warranties that may cover power-related issues. Professional repair is economical when it costs less than 50% of a new monitor's price. Current repair costs range from $80 to $120 for power supply fixes. Important safety warning: monitor power supplies contain dangerous high voltages even when unplugged. Always discharge capacitors before working on the power supply unit. Seek professional help if you lack electronics repair experience, if the monitor is still under warranty, or if you notice unusual burning smells or visible damage to components. Remember, while these advanced fixes can be highly effective, safety should always be your top priority when working with electronic components.